Me llamo Mariah.
Me llamo Hiram.
And we are a part of a cooking show called Cocina. Today, we will be making the Spanish dish, gazpacho.
Gazpacho should be served chilled, but not iced.
Gazpacho is made with many lovely ingredients.
We are going to take you step by step through the delicate and lovely dish that is gazpacho. You start with your tomatoes. First, core, peel, and seed the tomatoes.
We don't have knives, so we're going to use spoons. So begin peeling your tomato with the spoon.
Eventually.
The next step of the process is
Put the tomatoes in the bowl.
clean up your mess. That's wrong. We peeled that for a reason. Okay,
Spanish cookbooks usually consider gazpacho a salad.
the next step is to put the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. Chopped bell pepper. But again, we don't have any knives. So, this is good.
Next ingredient is chopped onions. Yes, this is the best way.
So they did it before they had it.
Yes. Okay, next ingredient.
Okay, cucumber, half a cup. This one we got pre-chopped.
And a green pepper. Oh, again, chop it up.
Oh. So that's a jalapeno pepper.
Uh-oh. Jalapeno pepper.
So don't touch your face at all. The next is a fresh lime. We're going to use lime juice instead.
Okay, next ingredient is balsamic vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. Yes.
Okay, next throw in some salt. That's the technical thing too. Throw it in.
Throw in the salt.
Throw it in. Just some. It's not okay.
There you go.
And the pepper. Now, mix all of the ingredients together.
The next step is to blend your ingredients.
The word gazpacho is derived from the Arabic word for soaked bread.
Pour only a cup and a half of the gazpacho into the blender. Well done.
What do we do now?
We decided to use a plate for the lid of our blender. Beautiful.
The next step is pour your freshly blended soup into the bowl.
Two of the main ingredients, tomatoes and peppers, weren't available until Europeans went to the Americas.
Continue pouring your soup into the bowl until all the soup is in the bowl. And now, you have your beautifully made gazpacho.
Okay, the next step is to chill the gazpacho in the fridge for 2 hours at least. Can you believe that it takes 2 hours?
A whole hour.
That's such a long time.
That's absolutely unbelievable.
I know. What about other things to put in the fridge?
Yeah, I can't. It's the gazpacho's taking up all the room. I
Oh,
don't
look.
know what to tell you.
The gazpacho's ready.
Gazpacho is also a name of a character in my favorite TV show.
No.
Now that your gazpacho is chilled, it should look like this. Top with basil and enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Cocinar?
You take the moon and you take the sun.
You take everything that seems like fun. You start it all up and then you're done.
Rattle, 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 rattle.
So come on in, feel free to do some looking. Stay a while, 'cause something goes cooking. Come on in, feel free to do some looking. Stay a while, 'cause something goes cooking.
Oh, yeah.
Today, we will be making the Spanish dish, gazpacho. Say it with us, kids. I will be reading the first sentence.
Raya!
We will be taking you step by step through the delicate and lovely dish that is.
It's just a word! Okay. Mine hasn't been boiled.
They don't know that that's a step.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, continue peeling until you have your perfectly peeled tomato.